Hello everybody, Handyman Hank here. Get my hair out of the way there. And today we're going to paint that garage door right there. Well, that's the inside of the garage door. And we're going to go pretty fast, so keep an eye out. It's going to look much better after it gets painted. Alright everybody, let's go. Okay, there's the first coat on. May not look so great right now, but that just, the wood soaks up that paint and seals it up nicely. So keep an eye out. We'll do the next coat and I bet it looks a lot better.